Hello friends, welcome to IT Facts. Today in this video we will see how to apply different borders to different pages in the document and how to watermark the pages in the document. That we will see in this video, right? So let us start. Here I am having the page in the document, right? So how to apply border to the document? For that, go to Design tab. In the menu group you will be having different menus, right? So select the Design tab. So if you see here in the page background group, so click on the page border option. Again you will be getting a window called borders and shading. So in that you will be getting three options: borders, page border, shading. In that select page border. By default it will be redirected to page border only, page border option only. So in that, in the last section, if you observe art, you will be getting an option art. So here select your own border style. Okay, select the border style. So click OK. So the particular border is applied to the page, right? Particular border is applied to the page. So if you are having multiple pages in the document, so how to apply different borders to different pages, that we will see now. First, the shortcut way to take the multiple pages is by simply pressing Ctrl Enter. By pressing simple Ctrl Enter, we can have multiple pages in the document. See here, all the pages in the document are same with the same border, right? So I don't want all the pages to have the same border. So how to change that? That we'll see. So now first I'll come back. So there is other way to take the multiple pages also. For that, go to Layout tab. Here in the page setup group, if you see here breaks option. So if you click on the arrow, you will be getting an option called next page. In the section breaks group, select the next page option. New page will be added to the document. So like that you can take how many number of pages you want. You can take the number of pages. So how to apply different pages to the different borders to different pages, that we'll see now. Now select the page first. So again go back to the Design tab. Select the page border option. Now select your own border style. Now I'll select this border style. Now here in the Apply to group, click on the this section option. Okay, click OK. Now that particular border is applied to the page. Same way to the next page also. Select your border style. Select your border style. Click on this section option. Click OK. So the same way you can apply different borders to different pages in the document, right? Same way you can apply different borders to the different pages in the document. See, now you can see different borders in the different pages also, right? So one more point here. So here in the document all the pages are in same size, right? So how to view the pages in different sizes? For that, go to page layout tab. Here in the page setup group, so click on the size option. Here you can see, if you see here, you will be getting different options like A3. What is A3? A3 is little bigger than the A4, right? So we can see the A3 size. Even for this, if I take this size, click on here envelope. So this is the envelope size. If I take here, for this is A3 size. So A3 is little bigger than the A4 size. Here like this you can see different sizes also in the document, right? So let us come back again. So let us come back again. So I'm having a single page. So to take the multiple pages, what is the shortcut to take multiple pages? Ctrl Enter, right? Ctrl Enter. If I want to give borders here, again go to Design, page border. See here you are getting multiple page border options, and you can select the color also. You can select your own color. So again click OK. The particular border color is applied to all the pages. So if you want to apply border to particular page, then also select the page here. Here you are getting different options, like I am selecting the option this section all except the first page. Select the option this one, last one, click OK. See what happens, you are getting the border to all the pages except the first page. Why like that? Why leaving the first page without border means that, so in general if you see here, the first page of the document will be cover page, right? So how to add the cover page to the first page of the document? See, let us see how to add cover page, right? Go to insert tab. Here in the pages group, if you see here cover page option, if you click on the cover page, you will be getting number of inbuilt predefined cover pages. So select any cover page of your choice. So I am selecting the cover page, this one. So like this you can add the cover page to the document, right? So one more point we'll see here, how to add watermark. How to add watermark to the pages in the document. So for that, to again go back to the design tab. Here in the page background group, if you see here, you can find an option called watermark. Click on the watermark option. See, by default they have mentioned some watermarks here, right? You can select your own watermarking style, right? And if you want to mention your own custom watermark also, here we are having an option called custom watermark. See, if you don't want have any watermark, click on the no watermark option, click OK. You will not see any watermarking, right? If you want to add your own watermark to the page, then click on the custom watermark again. If you want to add any picture watermark, then click on the picture watermark, select picture. It will take you to the pictures, the place where your pictures are saved from your computer, or you want to search from the online. So like that, by selecting the picture, you can watermark with the picture. But if you want to watermark with the text also, you can select, right? Here in the language is generally English only, right? Text. So mention your own text. I am writing the text as IT facts, and font style also you can select here, and size, color also you can mention here. So I mentioned some color. So it will also lay out diagonal or horizontal. So I am selecting diagonal. Click apply. See, the watermark is applied to all the pages, right? If you want to apply horizontal also, you can go to click horizontal, click OK. It will be applied to horizontally. So if you want to remove watermark, simply click on the remove watermark option. The watermark will be deleted. So like this you can set the watermarks to the pages in the document, right? So it is very easy, friends, how to add different borders to the page, how to put the cover page, and how to watermark the pages, that we have seen in this video, right? Friends, hope this video is helpful to you. If you find it is helpful, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you, friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.